Good morning, judges. My name is Javi Singh. I'm studying in grade 4D. My school name is Bhavan Suzan Academy School in Ajman, UAE. This is my seventh challenge on sustainability. The topic is, what does plastic do to the environment? What can we do to mitigate plastic pollution? Suggest a few alternatives to plastic. Introduction of plastic. The word plastic was derived from the word plasticos, meaning to mold in Greek. The first man-made plastic was created by Alexander Parks in 1862. Plastic is non-biodegradable substance. Plastic, a group of materials either synthetic or naturally occurring that may shaped soft and then hardened to retain the given shape. Plastics are polymer. A polymer is a substance made of many repeating units. What does plastic do to the environment? Plastics have been around in the environment for ages, threatening wildlife and spreading toxins. Plastic also contributes to global warming. Plastic is one of the toxic, non-biodegradable pollutants which pollutes land, air, and water. Plastic causes serious damage to the environment both during production and disposal. Plastic spoils the environment, aesthetic, and hygiene. The water bottling process releases 2.5 million tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere annually. Industries emit large amounts of carbon monoxide and hydrogen cyanide. Plastic waste dumped in watercourses contaminate and poisons fresh water. How plastic bottles can hurt the air. Burning plastics in furnaces also release climate-wrecking gases and toxic air pollution. The manufacture of plastic in industries release huge
Is it really
quantity of
advisable to
carbon
burn plastic?
monoxide,
We know the
dioxide,
fact that plastic
and
just melts
hydrogen
when heated.
cyanide. These
It does not
gases
completely
pollute
turn into
air.
ashes. What remains behind
Plastic
is
pollution
simply an
affects our
unusable form
respiratory
of
system.
molten
It
plastic.
causes many diseases.
And is there any other ill effect?
Now I'll play a
Yes.
video.
Burning plastics leads to release of various harmful fumes. The chemicals released can cause severe health issues in humans as well as other living organisms. So that means the option of burning of plastics is completely ruled out from our list.
How plastic bottles can hurt the land. Plastic pollution on land is both physical and chemical. Plastic reduces soil fertility by forming the part of manure for years. Eating fruits and vegetables growing in polluted soil can cause diseases as they may contain toxic chemicals. Plastic spoils the environment, aesthetics, and hygiene. Plastic can cause landslides. If animals eat plastic directly, it can cause intestinal blockages and become fatty. How plastic bottles can hurt the water. There are an estimated 270,000 tons of floating plastic through world seas where it threatens 700 marine species. Sea turtles with half-eaten bags in its mouth. Plastic kills more than just people. Plastic are mistaken for food and is eaten up by birds, turtles, seals, and whales. They make them choke them, poison them, or impede their digestion and cause starvation. Not at all plastic is recyclable, and not at all recyclable plastic is recycled. When plastics are broken down, this simply means one large piece of plastic is reduced into a bunch of smaller pieces of plastic. These smaller pieces of plastic can be consumed by smaller animals but are still indigestible. Most plastics last forever. Plastics survive even the harshest conditions, such as floating around in a marine environment under sunshine or frozen into Arctic ice for years before finally floating away on some faraway shore. Plastic can take from 20 to 500 years to decompose depending on the material structure and environment factor. What can we do to mitigate plastic pollution? Few alternatives of plastic are: 1. Brush your teeth without plastic toothbrush. Eco-friendly material. So let's clean our mouths with a bamboo toothbrush instead of plastic toothbrush. Brushes are made from a variety of materials including neon, boar hair, and plant-derived materials such as corn and typica. Number 2. Orgo fiber offers sustainable, eco-friendly and alternative to plastic bags for the farming ecosystem. In India, the orgo fiber saplings and bags are made of wool, banana fiber, sugarcane, jute and other agro waste materials. Replace tea bags with loose tea. This might come as a shock. Your tea bags are smuggling yet more plastic into your life. That thin layer will likely end up as a tiny piece in the soil, which could then find their way into our rivers and eventually the sea. 4. Use reusable straws instead of plastic straws. Now straws are available in glass, stainless steel, bamboo or silicone. Stop wrapping your vegetables and sandwiches in a material made from crude oil. Use beeswax food wraps. These are reusable, biodegradable. Use reusable cloth bags for shopping. Natural cloth can replace plastic bags. Sustainable clothing made from organic cotton, wool, hemp or bamboo. Household material. Use environmentally sustainable bricks made from recycled plastic waste. In kitchen, use food storage containers and bags that are made up of silicone, metal or glass containers. A renewable resource from wood. Sustainability managed forests can replace plastic in household items like cleaning brushes, kitchen utensils and cutting boards. In the bathroom, lotion in plastic bottles, lotion bar or oil in glass bottle. Disposable feminine products, menstrual cup or reusable cloth sanitary napkin. Other alternatives to plastic plant pots is to use biodegradable ones. Reuse kitchen plastic like yogurt pots, takeaway containers, perfect for seedlings. Afterwards, you can recycle them in the council system. Plastic roads made of composites of plastic with other material. The process can be used to generate electricity and fuels, but when cold plasma is added to the equation, it can convert waste plastics into hydrogen, methane and ethane. The meaning of 4 R's are: reduce the use of plastics. It must be reused. If useless, recycle it, recover the energy. Thank you, judges, for giving this wonderful challenge on sustainability.